Hello and welcome to Mr. Gadget channel. In today's video, I will show you how to set up your brand new Google Nest speaker. It can be Nest Mini, Nest Audio or older versions. I will guide you through the entire process step by step.
Hi, to get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
First, you need to download and install Google Home application from Google Play or App Store. Once installation is finished, open Google Home app, click Get Started and choose your Google account. Now you need to create your new smart home. Limit for name is 20 characters. Next, fill out your full address. It will be used as start point for navigation. Hit allow location access while using the app. Home creation is finished. Now it will search for new devices. Once it will find your new Nest speaker, hit yes to set up it. Now it will connect to speaker. You should hear beep sound from it. Hit yes if you heard beep. Next, you can decide if you want to send your stats and crash reports to Google. Now choose a room where your speaker will be placed. Next, you will set up Wi-Fi connection. It's better to choose 2.4 GHz network instead 5 GHz. Once you enter your Wi-Fi password, check remember and hit connect. In case connection to Wi-Fi will fail, try one more time. Next, you can set up voice recognition on your smart speakers. That means it will know which family member is speaking. Agree and repeat few phrases. Okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Next, you can choose if you want personalized results. For better experience, turn on. In case you have Chromecast devices on your network, it will ask you to link them. Now you can set up music provider and calling features. As my music provider is already configured, I will show you calling feature configuration. Pick your country and write your phone number. You will receive verification code, which you need to enter for number verification. Next, you can add your contacts in speed dial. In the last step, you can sign up for Google News. Now you see quick summary and you are done.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant. I'm here to help. To learn a few things you can do, continue in the Google Home app.
If this video was helpful for you, please like and subscribe.